In this video, guys, I'm going to show you more information about funnelfreedom.io. So I have some comments in the last videos that how are we going to utilize Jonathan Montoya's videos to drive traffic to our affiliate links. So first of all, we need to understand that if you are in the affiliate marketplace, it's important to collect emails. And the more emails we collect, the more money we can make. For example, the more emails I collect with my funnels, the more clicks I send to this company, the more referrals I have. The number of customers increase the more emails I collect, and the earnings, the more emails I collect, the more commissions I make. That is why having a sales funnel is important. A funnel is a series of steps to guide your visitors through the entire sales process. And that is why Jonathan, with this software, he's going to give us this entire system just to copy and paste. So he's going to give us the landing page, also the lead magnet. The lead magnet is something that you need to give in exchange for the email, and this whole email sequence, for example, to drive traffic to a YouTube video, to promote a main core offer, to drive traffic to a Facebook group, then to promote supporting offers, to drive traffic to another YouTube video. And that is how are we going to utilize this software to promote multiple affiliate products, just not only the 72-hour challenge or Freedom Accelerator, uh, we're going to promote multiple products. For example, GetResponse, Wealth Warriors, Udemy. So one of the things that I want to show you in this video is that this is going to be the funnel, and we're going to give this free course. So these are all the lessons. We're going to give this free course for the email. Now let me show you the part that how we are going to utilize Jonathan YouTube videos. Let me click on marketing, then on templates, because this software is going to send the emails automatically. And these are the email templates. So that means these are the emails that funnelfreedom.io is going to send to our email list. And for example, I'm going to click on this one. Let me see, supporting offer legendary market. So let's see this one, because I want to show you some of the emails. So let's see if this opens. So okay. So it's initializing. I'm going to open another email because this is like very slow loading fresh data. Okay, I'm in the marketing feature, the emails. So I'm going to click on this one. So let's say this supporting offer Udemy. So Udemy is a software to buy solo ads. Okay, Udemy. But the thing that I want to explain to you is that basically when this software send this email, so and this is the information that I learned from the Facebook group, is that when people click on this link to watch Jonathan's video, it's going to open a page, and inside of this page people are going to be able to see the YouTube video, and down below it's going to be a button, like for example click here to access Udemy or get instant access to Udemy, and this button is going to be our affiliate link, and that is how we're going to utilize Jonathan YouTube video to drive traffic to our affiliate links. And I think that this is a clever way because we are going to use his leverage. So he has a big following, a big YouTube channel. And if people click on that button, they will be clicking our affiliate link. And if someone buys, we can make a commission. That is why this system is so powerful, because we're going to be able to promote the 72-hour challenge, Freedom Accelerator, Wealth Warriors, which is another high-ticket program, Legendary Marketer, Get Response, Udemy, Bizla, Repurpose.io, and we're going to have our own affiliate stacking ecosystem, and we just need to send traffic to this system. So that means that we have to work only on the traffic side of the affiliate marketing, like paying ads or creating content. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe, and God bless.